Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to Excel use in computer. First, let's get familiar with the Excel interface. You'll see the ribbon at the top with various tabs, and your data will live in cells organized into rows and columns on different worksheets. Knowing how to open and save your workbooks is crucial for managing your data effectively. We'll cover these fundamental steps to get you started smoothly. Now, let's dive into entering data and using simple formulas. You can input numbers, text, and dates into individual cells. Excel's power truly shines with formulas. We'll start with basic arithmetic like SUM and average. Understanding how cell references work is key to building dynamic calculations that update automatically when your data changes. Next, we'll explore formatting and organizing your data for clarity. Applying cell formatting, like currency or percentages, makes your spreadsheets much easier to read. Sorting and filtering allow you to quickly find and arrange specific information. We'll also look at creating tables, which provide powerful tools for managing structured data efficiently. Finally, let's look at ways to boost your efficiency in Excel. Mastering a few keyboard shortcuts can save you significant time daily. Conditional formatting helps you visualize data patterns and highlight important information automatically. We'll also cover how to protect your worksheets, ensuring your valuable data remains secure from unintended modifications.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.